Hello tech lovers, today's video is on RG106 drone. Through extensive research, and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's features, performance of its particular side, or necessary topics, we've got you covered with more information on this drones. We have also included the links in the description box down below. You can like the video, show your creativity in the comment section, and subscribe for more tech-related videos. We upload multiple videos in a week. Now, let's get started. It's true, drones have become a vital part of our daily lives, because they are being used on different sides. To describe the necessity of drones, we can give some examples, like business purposes, cultural activities, entertainment, or others. Drones are advancing in some categories, like quadcopters and other sites. This particular mini drone is full of great features. Let's discuss those things. Today we will discuss one of the newest types of drones on the market, which is the RG106 drone 6K dual camera professional GPS drones. Because of being small, the drone is easy to carry. In this video, we will discuss this drone on the topic of its different features and aspects. So it is necessary to come to our main discussion. The folded size of this drone is 18 cm by 12.4 cm by 7.5 cm. The expanded size of this drone is 31 by 31 by 7.5 cm. For a drone of this size, we can easily understand that this drone is portable and easy to carry. Because this drone is made of plastic, it has a low weight. The attractive technical design of this drone only enhances its own beauty. This drone has a high-definition camera. It has 6K image quality and also has movie-level HD output. It has a 6K high-definition ESC lens. It improves the clarity of shooting pictures by supporting 50x sliding zoom. The camera is so good that it presents better highlights and details. A good highlight means an eye-soothing view, and good detail means a clear and crispy view. It has a front and bottom camera. This allows operators to freely change aerial photography angles and experience the shock of aerial photography effects. A modular battery is a battery that makes it easy to install and remove the battery. When the installation process and related processes become easy, it affects the whole flying process and makes the drone operation easier. The modular battery lasts about 28 minutes, which is 7.4 volts, 3,800 mAh capacity, which is enough for you to enjoy flying. Now it is time to discuss various functions of RG106 drone. Making images beautiful and attractive is now a very easy task. Now you don't have to think about the beauty of the picture. A powerful way you can take and beautify photos at once. Drones require smart hovering. Its function is to help capture stable and smooth video. This feature allows the drone to fly in idle mode. This drone has a smart hover feature that helps keep it stable while flying indoors and outdoors. It has a feature called image transmission that will let you see the excitement from a distance. You can see from a distance that your drone is giving a very beautiful view. And this way, you can keep an eye on your drone if there is anything around it that can harm it. Obstacle avoidance gives the drone an extra layer of security. This helps the drone to avoid crashing into walls or other objects and ensures a safe flight while also reducing the worry of damage due to crashes. It has an infrared obstacle sensor that assists in obstacle avoidance when it encounters obstacles. This obstacle avoidance feature simplifies the control process. You can get many more benefits with the help of this drone, including a GPS facility. Without GPS, you can control your movement smoothly, and the use of optical flow dual mode will make your flight more wonderful. You can draw a map first if you want, so you can fly this drone very easily through this map. You can climb anywhere by clicking. To enjoy such services, you need to download an official app first. Then connect the Wi-Fi directly to the drone. Then you can control your drone at will through this mobile phone. If you want to enjoy such benefits, then you can also try driving. Now, it's time to talk about its some pros and cons. Pros: it has excellent camera quality. It is lightweight and easily portable. It has perfect image transformation capabilities. Lots of quality features for less money. Cons: construction materials required for modification. We need color variations of drones. If you ask me, why did I buy this drone? Then I will tell you the answer. The drone will be durable and bring you joy. It can serve different purposes for different types of flyers. It can be flown by both novices and professionals. The device has some beginner-friendly features to help beginners, along with its low price. The advantages outweigh the disadvantages. All in all, the RG106 drone 6K dual camera professional GPS drone is worth buying. If you like the video and find it helpful, you can always give a like on this video. Smash that subscribe button for more tech-related, informative videos. The links to all products we have talked about are in the description box down below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, have fun and keep up the good work.